Stop by and take a look at the 2009 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.